Good morning, Rabbit Owls. This is Lighthouse Live, Home Edition. Today's news for tomorrow's leaders.
Thursday, May 14th, and it's Crazy Sock Day. Woo! Be sure to send in pictures of you with some crazy socks on.
Like us.
Yeah, like us. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the National Anthem.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands,
one
one
nation,
nation, under God, indivisible,
with
with
liberty
liberty and justice for all. This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters, this land was made for you and me. As I was walking that rhythm of highway, I saw above me that in the
skyway, I saw
below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. America, America, this land was made for you and me. Bum. Now let's join Dr. Bradley and Miss Cho to give us our daily updates.
Over to you, Dr. Bradley.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday to you. Wow, it is Thursday. Good morning, Mrs. Choate.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mrs. Levy. How are you?
Hi there. I'm great. How are you?
Wonderful. Welcome to the news crew.
Thank you.
So you guys, do you know what day it is today?
I know what day it is today.
Oh, yes.
What day is it, ladies?
Crazy Sock Day.
Crazy Sock Day. Look at you guys. All right, let me see if I can get my leg up here. All right. Wait, Mrs. Choate, you had Lucky Charms or
I
something.
had Lucky Charms.
All right, Miss
Yeah.
Levy, you got some cool colors?
Kind of argyle, orange, red, yellow.
All right, well, you know, I hate to show you guys up, but here we
Okay.
go. I have sloths.
Sloths. Wow.
It has sloth crazy socks, but yes, I got sloth.
You win.
Woohoo!
Those are awesome.
All right, guys. Well, boys and girls, hope you're wearing your best crazy socks today. Very excited. And Mrs. Choate, what is tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow is, you're going to love this, Dr. Bradley, Tacky Tourist Day. So
Oh, yeah?
I think you can participate in this one. Yep, because we're going to need a Hawaiian shirt, maybe a
Oh, I
flannel
got that.
hat, plaid shorts. I might need to borrow a Hawaiian shirt from you.
Okay, I can hook you up. I have about
Cute.
50 of them.
Okay. Thanks. So we want to see your photos of you dressed up like a tacky tourist.
Wow, that's awesome. Okay, can't wait to see that tomorrow. And Mrs. Levy, a great thing that you're here because I know you've been helping Miss Emmerman and the arts team. So next week, every day after the news, what are they showing?
So next week, we're so excited to kind of do an art showcase. Obviously, the years looked a little different, but our amazing student artists have still been working at home, and they're still super excited to show you all that they've been up to. So actually, on Monday, we're going to kick off. Mrs. Hassler's dance students are going to be doing some special performances.
That's awesome. And you know what? We have a little clip, so let's watch it right now. All right, roll it. Wow, that was awesome. I love those door dances. What do you guys think?
They were really great. I love the music too. Good choice.
Super good.
Super
We have
fun.
lots of talent out there. All right, boys and girls, thank you. Have a wonderful Thursday, and we'll see you tomorrow in Tacky Tourist Day. Thank you, Mrs. Levy. Thank you, Mrs. Choate. And let's send it back to the announcers. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, Dr. Bradley and Miss Cho. Now, for a daily update from my house, I'd like to share with you one of my pets. my kitty.
Oh my goodness, that's a very cute cat.
This is Rascal.
Ah, love him.
Thank you.
I want to mush his nose.
Oh my goodness. Eh. Oh, he's falling off the pillow. Wow.
Okay.
This is my new cat. Now, do you have anything you would like to share?
Yes, I would like to show my pet. His name is Xavier.
Xavier?
Yes, his name is Xavier. Let me get him really quick. Here we go. Here is Xavier.
Oh my goodness, he's so cute.
Why, thank you.
Little doggy.
He likes to ride on my head.
Aw, you named him Xavier.
Yes,
Very nice.
thank you.
Very nice.
I wish Xavier could meet Rascal, but no.
Yes, no. Oh, Xavier!
Now stay tuned for our how-to section
Stop
where
recording.
our friends Lily will teach us how to make a sock puppet.
That's all for today's broadcast. Thanks for joining us. Have a thrilling Thursday. Bye. I'm a power relic, out in uniform I'm dressed. I pledge to follow relic rules and always do my best. Oh yeah, I'll be proactive, choose and take responsibility. I'll show respect to others and their property. I'll set goals, professing first, and do what I'm assigned. My attitude will be win-win with safety rules in mind. I'll listen so I'll understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and corrections. With teamwork, I will soar with more, and others synergize. I'll renew and sharpen up with power as my prize. Oh, right.